Hey developers, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to edit the setting of your extensions in Visual Studio Code to customize your workflow and boost productivity. So let's dive right into it. First of all, open the VS Code. After opening the VS Code, you will see the setting option at the bottom left corner. Here, as you can see, click on the settings. Here, setting icon, and here you'll see the setting option. Click on it. Then the search setting will open. Search for extension. In the settings search bar, type the name of the extension you want to customize and modify settings. You will see all the configurable options for that extension. Change values, provide toggling switches, selecting drop down, or type in fields. And step 5 is to reload VS Code if required. Some extension may require you to reload VS Code to apply new settings. If prompted, click reload. And that's how you edit extension setting in VS Code to tailor your coding environment exactly how you want. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more handy tips, and I'll see you in the next one.